In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make on-page anchor navigation links with WordPress using any page builder or custom code. This is an excellent way to enhance the user experience on your website by allowing visitors to quickly navigate to different sections of a page. So let's dive right into it. First, head over to wordpress.com. Once you're there, you'll want to go ahead and click on the login button located at the top right of the page. It's a straightforward task, but if you're new to WordPress, every step counts in getting you through the process smoothly. Now, when prompted for your login method, select the option to continue with Google. This will link your existing Google account with WordPress, simplifying the login process. You'll find this particularly handy if you're already logged into your Google account in the same browser, as it can save you some time. Once you've clicked that, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Choose the account you wish to use. Now, after you've logged in, focus your attention on the right hand panel where you'll see Quick Links. Here, find and click on Edit Site. This action will bring you to your site's editing panel where all the magic happens. With that accomplished, look over to the left side of your screen and click on Navigation. This will display your navigation options in the site editor. You're almost ready to start customizing your navigation links, which will streamline how users move through your site. Next, find the small three dots icon hovering right above the navigation on the left side. You'll want to click on these three dots, which will give you further options, now specifically the Edit option. Select Edit to begin making changes to your navigation menu. At this point, click directly on the navigation menu from the options presented. This is where you start adding your anchor links. On the right panel, you'll see a plus icon. Click this to begin creating a new link. After clicking the plus icon, choose Page Link from the list of options. This is what allows you to anchor your navigation links to specific sections on your page. Now it's time to link your page. With Page Link selected, assign that link to the desired page section you wish to navigate to. This will require identifying the HTML ID tags or section names from your page. If you know your way around the HTML structure of your page, this should be a piece of cake. Finally, be sure to click Save located at the top right corner once everything is set up. Saving your changes is crucial to ensure that your links are active and functional, and there you have it. You've successfully created on-page anchor navigation links in WordPress. This is a fantastic way to make navigating your site more user-friendly and efficient. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful.